Japanese mustard greens are not one single vegetable. They are a family of leafy greens developed and refined in Japan over centuries, shaped by climate, cuisine, and cultural values. Among the most well-known are mizuna and komatsuna, both members of the brassica rapa species, closely related to mustard greens, turnips, and bok choy. These greens represent a philosophy of eating rather than a single ingredient. They are fast, light, seasonal, and adaptable. They exist to support meals, not dominate them. Botanically, Japanese mustard greens belong to the mustard family, Brassicaceae. This family is defined by sulfur-containing compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds are responsible for the mild peppery bite that characterizes mustard greens and also contribute to their nutritional and protective properties. Mizuna is feathery, deeply serrated, and delicate in appearance. Komatsuna is broader-leafed, darker, and sturdier. Both grow rapidly, tolerate cool temperatures, and thrive in short growing cycles. This made them ideal for Japanese agriculture, where space efficiency and seasonal turnover were critical. Flavor-wise, Japanese mustard greens are restrained. They are mildly peppery, slightly bitter, and fresh. They do not burn the palate like strong mustards, nor do they fade into neutrality. Their flavor sits in balance, allowing them to be eaten raw, lightly cooked, or fully incorporated into hot dishes. Raw, mizuna offers crispness and a gentle mustard note, perfect for salads and garnishes. Komatsuna, when raw, is firmer and greener, but still approachable. Cooked, both soften quickly, releasing sweetness and losing sharpness. Texture is central to their appeal. These greens are tender without being fragile. They wilt predictably and evenly, making them reliable in soups, stir-fries, and quick sautés. They do not become slimy, fibrous, or bitter when handled correctly. Nutritionally, Japanese mustard greens are dense. They provide vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, iron, and folate. Like other brassicas, they contain antioxidants and compounds associated with cellular protection and inflammation regulation. Their nutritional efficiency aligns with traditional Japanese dietary principles, where meals emphasize balance, variety, and moderation rather than excess. These greens contribute micronutrients without heaviness. Culturally, Japanese mustard greens are everyday food. They are not ceremonial, they are not rare, they appear in home kitchens, school meals, and casual restaurants. They are often pickled, lightly blanched, or added to soups. Pickling plays a key role in their identity. Lightly salted mustard greens develop complexity without losing freshness. This preservation method reflects historical needs for seasonal continuity and flavor control. In Japanese cuisine, these greens often accompany rice, fish, and tofu. Their mild bitterness balances umami and fat. Their freshness resets the palate between bites. Agriculturally, Japanese mustard greens are models of efficiency. They grow quickly, require minimal input, and can be harvested multiple times. This made them essential in urban and peri-urban farming systems. Their adaptability has led to global spread. Today, Japanese mustard greens are grown across Asia, Europe, and North America. They appear in fusion cuisine, modern salads, and health-focused cooking. Unlike many trendy greens, Japanese mustard greens do not rely on hype. They rely on reliability. They are consistent in flavor, texture, and performance. From a modern nutrition perspective, these greens fit perfectly into plant-forward diets. They are low in calories, high in nutrients, and easy to prepare. They support digestion without overwhelming the system. Environmentally, they have a relatively low footprint. Short growth cycles reduce resource use, and their ability to grow in cooler seasons extends productive periods. Japanese mustard greens are not loud vegetables. They do not seek attention. They create balance. They represent a food culture built on repetition, refinement, and respect for ingredients. Their value lies not in intensity, but in harmony. Japanese mustard greens remind us that the most important foods are often the most ordinary ones.